had one. Alright. First look that I got. I think he went for the nymph. So I might be changing it up to a more regular pattern here. Whoa, okay, that was wild. They want it moving. They want it moving, all right. He ate that nymph as it was swimming. Let's get him up out of the pool so we don't scare the other fish. Easy there. Easy there, sport. That nymph. What the front door is this? Wow, they did some serious, I don't even know what is this? I guess they're trying to keep the creek back a certain way. It should be stacked up 4 fish, 5 fish deep right here. Might have walked all this way for nothing. Howdy, officer. How goes it?
How are you?
Good, yourself?
Good. Any luck?
I got one at the very start, right before the underpass there.
Nice. Brown, rainbow?
Little rainbow.
Good deal.
Yes, sir.
That's the only one?
Yeah, unfortunately. I mean, I started walking up this way because I normally do well here, but
Yep.
What did they do to this whole section?
It's a really good question. I have no idea. I saw the other day I came through here and I knew that they had cleared out some of this, like where the trail was.
Yeah.
A lot of the invasive stuff, the autumn olive and everything, honeysuckle, but no, I didn't know they were.
Yeah, this is
any of that.
like, because I walked around this corner and I was just like awestruck because
Yeah,
it looks totally different, and this has gotten way more sedimented up here. It's
Yeah, I remember this used to be more tree lined.
Yep. Yeah.
I fish here fairly often.
Okay.
And yeah, that little run used to be pretty deep. I think there was like a little riffle or something either here or right there. And might have been actually right there, that little stretch. Yep.
So you're just out here checking licenses?
I am, yeah.
All right.
Yep. You got that on you real quick?
I have it in my phone. Let's see, favorites.
It's a good little reel.
It is. It does the job. That 5-way works perfectly.
Yep.
There you go.
Alrighty. Awesome.
This is actually my first time ever getting.
Oh yeah?
I've been all over the country fishing. I've never had it checked, so.
Maybe you didn't look like a good check. So.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's usually what we say. If you look like a good check, we'll probably check you. But
Gotcha.
yeah, most fly fishermen I know, they're all good.
Mhm.
Never really had any issues with it. So.
I've seen some sketchy people around here though that just bring a bucket and got it.
So yep. Well, it was good talking to you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Jacob.
Well, if you guys have any issues when you are down here though, let's say you do see somebody that's,
Yeah.
you know, they're,
Got like
hey,
10
there's one
fish.
guy and they got 10 fish in a bucket or on a stringer, don't hesitate to call.
Okay.
Easiest number, 1-800-POACHER. Call that.
Perfect.
And if I'm out and about, they'll get a hold of me right there on the radio and I can come right down here. So
It's nice to meet you.
you too. Good luck to you.
Thank you.